In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact GetResponse live chat support. Reaching out to customer support might not be something we do frequently, but when we need assistance, it's essential to know how to get the help we need efficiently and effectively. GetResponse has a user-friendly platform, and their live chat support is a quick way to get the assistance you need. Let's go through these steps together. First things first, open your web browser and go to the GetResponse website. If you haven't already, make sure you log into your account. You'll need to be logged in to access the live chat feature. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're not already. It's packed with loads of features for managing your email marketing campaigns, but today we're heading straight for support. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. It might take a second to locate, especially if you're overwhelmed by all the information on the page, but right there at the bottom, you'll see a small message icon. This is the gateway to starting a conversation with the support team. The icon might be in the form of a chat bubble or a speech box, something that visually indicates a place to send and receive messages. Once you spot it, give it a click. Doing this should open up the chat interface. You'll probably be greeted with a welcome message from the support bot. The bot is designed to handle some common issues right away and can provide answers to frequently asked questions. If your question is straightforward, the pre-programmed responses might solve your problem on the spot. However, if the bot can't provide the answer you're looking for, don't worry. The next step is to request to chat with a live agent. There should be an option within the chat to escalate the conversation to a human support representative. Simply follow the prompts or type your issue succinctly to explain what kind of help you need. Another useful tip while chatting is to have all relevant information and details about your issue ready. The more precise you can be about the problem you're encountering, whether it's about a specific campaign bill or technical snag, the quicker the support agent should be able to assist you. And that's it. You're now connected with GetResponse live chat support. Remember, the support team is there to assist you, so don't hesitate to ask any questions you might have about their service. Whether you're facing technical issues or need guidance on using their features, they'll do their best to help you out. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial has shed some light on how easy it is to get the support you need through GetResponse's live chat function. Feel free to reach out in the comments with any additional questions you might have, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.